MCs, that's what we be. No chains, no bling, so you can't be we. You haters cool, you just, man, we just stepped in. Isn't it a bit too early to start 8-10? Me and my friend Johnny, we were born to win. He goes everywhere with me like a Siamese twin. Our dough flows like rivers, ain't no way you can stop it. Looks like Earth Day with all this green in my pocket. We're mad paid, and we know you niggas hate it, cause y'all don't get shit like you're constipated. Most guys find it aggravated when we're on YouTube ejaculated. And their girlfriend's face is front page news. And worst of all, it got 1 million views. Bitches blowing on their dicks like birthday candles. They say it good, like they eating Campbell. We'll cut your head off, stuff your body in the locker. You know we keep it poppin' like we're over Red and Baca. Fuck it good so good, got it saying waka waka.
It's time for Africa.
With 2G. Like a downgraded iPhone, we'll knick-knack, paddywhack, and give a hoe a bone. Haters blowing up our phones trying to see what's up, but we shit on them like we're two girls and they're a cup. Every Friday night we watch scary movies. Saturday night we squeeze massive boobies. Sunday night we go eat at Luby's. Same Sunday night we jerking off on groupies. If Johnny and my wife were hanging off a cliff and there was only time to just say one, I'd have to watch her fall to her death the whole time screaming sorry, hun.
Hanging with my bestie is more than a habit. His ass is on the horse, I'm on a pink rabbit. Cause on the carousel is how we spend weekends. And then my ass highs cause we're hide and seeking. Eating animal crackers and sipping juice boxes while we watch these bitches jump around our topless. Cause everywhere we go we keep these bitches hoping. So just like tennis we got the US Open. Don't matter where, man, it's always the same. So like the NBA we bring our all-star game. And it don't matter who. If a fat bitch wants to roll, I take her to her place and buy her a Super Bowl. Come to a place and it's bitches galore, but we just sitting back playing Connect 4. Aw damn, and that's how it goes. I'm the motherfucker who just dominoed. Ah fuck, this some bullshit. This motherfucker just sunk my battleship. Aw man, and if you didn't know, I'm coming back yelling, oh no. After board games, we just circle the mall in pursuit of some skirts to lick on these balls. I run game quick, I'm never the slowest. So like mini wheats, I keep you full and focused. You wanna get ahead, you're gonna have to cheat. As for my baby, about to be raised by Swiss Beats.
My tag team partner in this game we call life. Have a hardcore match and power drive your wife.
I'm sorry man, I know that you love her, but I'll pick her ass up and give her a stone cold stunner. I'm telling you man, your girl pursued it. Your bitch is so easy a caveman can do it.
He's talking Geico, you losing your hoe. If she ain't wanna fuck, what she a rhyme for? A rhyme curse, kill a nigga with one verse. Be at your funeral and draw a dick on your hearse.
An open casket funeral, your family's crying and coughing. Cause Ross took your shit and I piss in your coffin. Now I'm at your place, I'm teabagging your girl's face. Saw us on Facebook so she deleted her MySpace. Yeah, she knows what's up. Her favorite part of waking up is a cup of Folgers and my dick in her butt.
Dick in the butt or one in the mouth. We don't give a fuck cause we run in the South. That's a life story, like it or not. We got a best friend Steve, but he don't rhyme so hot. That's why it's me, Johnny, doing our thing. Two dope boys living the life of bling. From this day forward until our life ends, you best believe we gon' be best friends.